It's rainy season, so I thought, let me show you my struggle. It's not only my struggle, even each and every villager of mine has to go through this struggle. The struggle of reaching out our farm. Our farm where we grow all the food products. We grow all our crops, and that too not easy for us. First struggle is during this rainy season to cross these railway tracks. We had to go through many difficulties. Now I'm walking on the roads. I had to walk on the railway track, and I had to cross the river as well. Today in the evening, I thought of heading my farm, and I just asked my husband and Moni just to accompany me. Then we started heading towards our farm, and it was so difficult. You can see this bridge, okay? So it's a nadi, it's a river which is on its peak, and this river is called Sasur Khaderi Nadi. There is a history behind it. I'll show you in next time. And some of buffaloes, they are just enjoying. And finally, I raised my farm, and then I felt like eating something, so I asked Moni to pluck some fresh guavas. So Moni, she plucked some fresh guavas, and now we are eating it, we are enjoying it, and you can see the nature, the muddy hut, okay, and the vibes. People, they are busy grazing buffaloes. And today after a very long time, I went to my farm because I was so busy in taking my classes. So finally I spared some time for my this visit of my farm, and everywhere it was so slippery, and even sometimes when you find so many lychees everywhere, so you don't feel like even walking. Everywhere you see only muddy puddles, but in front of this greenery, everything is zero. And you can see this one tree, it belongs to lemon, and there are so many small small lemons are there. And guava tree is full of guavas, and this one is called mosami, okay. Right now they are unripe, and soon we'll get the ripe one. And look at the lemons, all these lemons are so small, and it's a huge tree of lemon. So there are two small tree, and one huge tree of lemon. And this is a tree which had been cut by the owner 3 months ago. But during this rainy season, many small plants, they have started growing. Banana. And ये किस चीज का पेड़ है? मोनी बताओ किस चीज का पेड़ है ये? What do we call आंवला in English? नीचे देख के. They are small chili plants. You have to be careful. So this one is called gooseberries, ठीक है. ये gooseberry का पेड़ है. And this one, ये किसका है? इधर आओ. सहीजन. इधर आओ. ये किस चीज का है? सहीजन. What do we call सहीजन in English? Say drumstick. Drumstick. Yeah? Drumstick. Yes. And this one? Ganna. What do we call ganna in English? Sugar cane. भाई पेड़ नहीं दबाते. I'm so careful. And look, one side it's paddy field, and in between it's turmeric field. Okay, in this section it's turmeric plants. These are turmeric plants, and this one also belongs to paddy. And look at Babaji. Babaji is busy grazing buffaloes. And Babaji, he is almost 95. 95 है ना? Yeah, Babaji is almost 95. Still, he is working so hard.
Hello.
Now we have these in our farm. So here we have radish only, and you can see weeds. Now we need to weed this farm, and it's Sunday today, so my father-in-law, he is in the market right now and he is busy selling these radishes. So I have plucked these two one. I just saw and I just plucked it. Look
उधर
at its
लंबी
shape.
लंबी उखाड़ ले, उधर से उखाड़ बड़े
ये
बड़े।
कहेगा मोनी nenua. What do we call nenua? It's sponge gourd. Nenua. And this one is Loki. So it's so small, and look at the big one. So these leaves are getting dry, and soon we will have the access of fresh bottle gourds and sponge gourds as well. And you know it has been raining for 15 days on and off, so we expected that we would get so much profit from this, but finally, as we had expected, we are not earning this much. But still, what we can do, every farmer has to go through this. जितना हम सोचते उतना मिलता नहीं है, but क्या कर सकते हैं. Look at these plants.
एमा नहीं, छोटी है यार, आगे चलो।
एमा नहीं है ना, ये बाद में बोएंगे का. So now we are going to pluck fresh radishes. Fresh radish. मोही आज एक बारे तोड़ लो.
नहीं,
Look at the condition because of rain. It's happening.
इधर आओ, इधर।
ना तोड़ो, अपने बारे तोड़ लो.
इधर आ मोनू, ए मंगिया, वो उधर, वो पार है यार पीछे। बे पागल, उधर यहाँ।
Just look at this.
बस करो। अरे पागल लड़की का जिद, ई तो को नहीं दिखाती, ई नहीं दिखाती। बस कर।
And finally, now it's 5:30 p.m. So it's time to return our home. So my husband and I, we started heading back to our village. So please leave your comment and please tell me, how did you find this video? Did you like this video or not? I hope you would love this video and you would definitely keep learning and speaking English language, and you would definitely do practice each and every single day, and you will keep working on your dreams.